it's me, Pepper Hearts vlog, and yeah, it's officially our day 5 here in Yongnyah. And guess what? Everyone is getting sick, including the teachers, the students, everyone. And see the weather; it's very gloomy as of today. The weather very gloomy. I think it's about to rain. Okay, hi Nipno. How is your experience here in Yongnyah? We are currently at day 5.
It's good only.
Are you learning anything new?
Yeah, somehow.
Yeah, Sama. She's one of the brightest students. In second year, along with her friend Esther. Yeah, Esther. Yeah, they are currently in the lab. So this is the lab here in Yongnyah, right? So what are you doing now, currently? Yeah, taking our BS, right?
Yes.
As well as HP. Yeah, good going. We can't wait for the posting to get over. Your immunization status for pregnant women, TT doses, as well as for infants. So, wow, we got a visitor yet again on day 5. See who is here. Dragonfly. I think I'll do a documentary on Animal Planet. Lots of insects. We are experiencing a torrential rain even today. Yeah. See, look at the nimbus clouds. It's gonna rain like crazy. So as of today, we call to go and collect. I mean, not collect, but to go and see whatever insects we are eating here in Yongnyah. I mean, like the treasures of this place. Let's see. Since it's raining, I don't think so we'll be able to go. Okay, so day 5 update. Manjakal say aji handing dollars. Just kidding. Anyhow, see you guys in day 6. Bye bye.